This tutorial will show you how to perform a tool measurement on Heliner CNC routers running the Syntec control system. Start by pressing Tool Set. This tells the machine that any tool commands will trigger a tool measurement. Press MDI. With this enabled, the machine will run the G-code entered in the MDI window instead of the normally loaded CNC program. Navigate to the monitor menu and press MDI Input. Type T, followed by the number of the tool that you wish to measure. Press OK to confirm. Note that the number of the tool currently in the spindle can be found here. Press Cycle Start and tool measurement will begin. Like all G-code, tool change can be run on MPG Sim if required. Once Cycle Start has been pressed, the spindle will position itself above the tool sensor and slowly drop until the tool touches the device. It is now rough positioned and will touch twice more at a slower rate to precisely measure the tool. Note that tool measurement is only passed into the system once the spindle raises to Z equals 0. Any number of tools can be measured at a time. The machine will automatically perform a tool change and swap to each tool, measuring them in order that they were entered into the MDI. Don't forget to turn off Tool Set after the process is complete. Alternatively, the Tool Set button can simply be enabled before a program is run. The tool measurement will occur automatically.